Croatian ABs certified 25 to Embark 980, weights 2,850 euro, net Italian flag, 4 months contract, very close to your home. So if you're sailing within a cruise, fishing, general cargo, or outside of Europe and you want to be very close to home, this is the opportunity to apply. Crew inspector below, very urgent, the fastest we have your CV full application filled, the faster we send it to the client. It's not required English, but it is required Italian language application, please, very fast, very urgent, because it is a huge need. You know, Europe is a disaster for these opportunities and training. So please, Croatian able seafarers, if you have any questions, write below and apply very urgent. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Hope these ships of 37,000 tons, 67,000 tons, trading between Barcelona, Valencia and Italy, very close to Croatia, are really right the future you're looking for. Thank you, bye.